Welcome back to Channel V8X, where luxury meets power and every drive tells a story. And today on Channel V8X we're looking at one of the most jaw-dropping luxury sedans money can buy, the 2026 BMW 760i xDrive in its original silver factory color. A car that doesn't just arrive, it dominates. And starting from the aggressive front angle, that massive illuminated kidney grille immediately grabs your attention, paired with razor-sharp LED headlights that give this BMW a bold, futuristic face. The kind of front view that looks expensive even when standing still. Then when you move to the side profile, the long, elegant body lines scream executive luxury, the silver paint reflecting light perfectly and emphasizing the length and presence of this flagship sedan, making it clear this isn't built to blend in but to stand above everything else on the road. And from the rear angle, the slim LED taillights glow with confidence. Clean and modern, showing BMW's focus on minimal yet powerful design, while the wide stance gives it a planted, commanding look that feels both sporty and ultra-premium. Step inside and the dashboard view completely changes the game. With a fully digital curved display, ambient lighting flowing across the cabin, luxury materials everywhere you look, and a tech-focused layout that feels more like a private jet cockpit than a car interior. Under the hood, the engine view reveals BMW's advanced hybrid-assisted V8 setup, delivering smooth, effortless power that matches the luxury feel while still packing serious performance. And from a drone angle, this 2026 BMW 760i xDrive looks absolutely majestic, gliding through space with precision, its silver body shining from above like a true luxury icon. On the highway shot, this car becomes a rolling statement, cruising confidently with motion blur emphasizing speed and authority, effortlessly owning the lane and reminding everyone why the 7 Series sits at the top of BMW's lineup. And when night falls, the night shot is pure drama, glowing headlights, reflections bouncing off the silver paint, city lights surrounding it, turning every drive into a cinematic moment. And now let's talk numbers, because luxury like this comes at a price. The 2026 BMW 760i xDrive starts around $120,000 and can climb past $140,000 depending on options. But what you're paying for is more than just transportation. It's presence, comfort, cutting-edge technology, and a driving experience that feels exclusive every single time you step inside. This is the kind of car designed for people who want the best and aren't afraid to show it. And if you appreciate luxury, power, and design all wrapped into one unstoppable package, this BMW absolutely delivers. So if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 BMW 760i xDrive, make sure you stay tuned, because Channel V8X brings you the best cars, the boldest designs, and the real luxury experience. And until next time, this is Channel V8X, signing off.